Okay, in this video we're going to be following this gas station, and I'm going to show you what's around it, and then we're going to probably walk down this giant apartment building, and I just kind of let you see this other part of Taipa. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are in Taipa. This is what used to be called Little Taipa, this little rocky mountain thing, or whatever you want to call it. Over there is Zhuhai. That's all Zhuhai over there. And this one kind of basically leads to Taipa and Cotai. We are in Taipa, but it'll lead to the more center part of it. But I always thought this is kind of cool, and this kind of old colonial building, and this gas station is like right up against this mountain. And actually this building too, later it kind of goes up against the mountain as well. But today what we're going to do is follow this underneath the railroad track, the monorail train. So let's try to get across there. Let's see if we can get across for one. Okay. So this is where all the water comes through. So, okay, so this giant building is right across from this one and the gas station. If you saw my other video, we filmed over there, which is like a little, has like cannons and all kinds of cool stuff. But this particular building is strange to me, because look how there's like a lot of cheap quality stuff all over this. So like, let's just see. So yeah, we'll just look at the facade a little bit so you can just kind of see how it's built. The building is not really that strong, so you can see how these big gaps everywhere. There's something about it just looks really kind of cheap, but at the same time it looks really grandiose. Because look at that, look how cool that looks, just it's so amazing. And then it follows this, so if you're in the train and you're going down this train line, it's like really impressive, because just looking at this kind of solid wall of apartments, and you kind of have these giant doors, you know, these giant numbers on them. But then when you look at the detail of it, like look at these giant cracks, there's like these giant holes everywhere. It's like they got the cheapest doors, they got like the grandest look, but some of the cheapest. And then look at this too. So just the way that it's built, looks like there's like the foundation looks really cheap, but then it looks like it could be like solid rock or marble or something like really European-ish or something like that. Like if it was built with really nice quality stuff, this thing would probably be a tourist attraction in Europe, right? Look how beautiful those windows are too. Like that whole stream of apartments that go all the way down like that. Looks so beautiful. These giant windows. It's like, actually it's kind of unfortunate. So it looks like it could be something just incredibly beautiful. Like if this was good quality things, like just look at how cheap that looks. Like this facade, and then that. It's like, it's such a shame. Especially they got their own railroad, their own monorail station and everything, you know. It's so well located. But then you have this kind of, I don't know, the kind of cheapness to it. Like look at that, like there's a beautiful facade right there, that little gate right there. Looks like it could be a balcony, but it kind of like, there's like a fake thing right there. And I think all the apartments are way up there. And I think they pay good money for that, because I've gone onto the other side of this and it's really, has like really nice security and nice lawn, nice everything. So I don't know, maybe it's just this side is just completely made of cheap material, I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna go up to that door, so I'm gonna I'll film more. I'm gonna turn it off until I get to the door. The door is pretty incredible actually. Okay, so we're gonna film this door. So we basically just walked straight down this way. There's this kind of giant one, and there's this giant amazing door. So this one has like kind of some faces. Actually, this is how big it is. Just really massive. And that door takes up, it's at least 3 stories high, 4 stories high. It's a 4-story high door with like pheasants on it. And also just for reference, this is the station right here. This is monorail line. Okay, so you got some to see how so okay. I guess it's made out of something like that. Okay. Anyways, that head falls down. Anyways, so this is the station right here. Yeah, look how giant that door is. Wow. Okay. Even these stories are, I think that's about 2 stories too. Even that door, but that door is like 4 stories high. That's incredible. And then right here is the station. Still a lot of construction around the station. I've never really seen anybody coming in or out of this building, so I don't know. I think they all go up top. It's like it's all under construction. So yeah, this has been here at least 7 years, if not more. And they were always building the monorail, so I didn't really know what the plan was, but I'm pretty sure there's people living up there. You can see some of the windows that are open and things like that. And when it does open, it should be pretty cool. I mean, you got all these residential places to sit. This is called Jockey Club Station. I want to keep on walking though, so I would take this station and go somewhere, but kind of more interested in just walking around. Anyways, I'll try to film it later when we get near the end of it and try to show you the entire length of it. Okay, so if we keep on walking, we kind of get right into all this residential, commercial, so you can get all kinds of cool stuff. But then this one right here, there's an elevator that goes up to the top, but this is what it looks like from this distance. Okay, so it's a pretty long stretch, goes all the way down. And I think we're gonna go up to the top up there too, and then you can see it from the other side as well. So this is where we're gonna go up to that spot right up there, and then there's an elevator or a stairwell. Then you also have this other apartments. So let's see if we can get, oh, they came up the stairs. So we can just grab this one and then I'll show you what it looks like up there. So we're coming up here, and then this is our same building on the other side, and you can see how beautiful it is. So on this side it looks like spectacular, and there's all the security here, and okay, so there are people that are living in here because they're going in and out, but they can go down all the way down there if they want. And you also have this side as well. So this is the other side too. So yeah, this is one big wall of apartments. So this apartment goes all the way down that way, and then you have more apartments down there, and then this is one of the roads that we could have followed. This is the road that we would have followed if we would have, this other one we could have hugged the mountains, and then we would have went to this side of this place. There's security right there. So yeah, pretty amazing view. And this one says the Jockey Club Station. And then there you go. So so much earlier in another video, actually at the beginning of this video when I was at the gas station, I could have walked up this way, And this is the view I would have had. I would have followed this little mountain up here, and would have kept on going. But so this is the same apartment building that we started at, but we're basically went around it. Would that be maybe 230 degrees or something like that? More than halfway around. And this is the inside of it. Okay, I want to close it right there. So this is this one. Chiquinha.